The X15 Flight Cruiser, efficient layout, catapult takeoff mode, fast folding, high structural strength, power unit is placed at the rear of the fuselage, higher propulsion efficiency, less overall resistance, ability to carry more loads. The system may be operated by the same ground station. It can operate with GPS interference and communication interference. Operating weight 10 kilograms, maximum load 5 kilograms. Maximum flight lifting weight of 15 kilograms. The maximum flight altitude of 5,000 feet. Cruise range 20 to 100 kilometers. Cruising speed 30 to 50 mph. 1.5 to 2 hours. It can also be used as a relay communication aircraft with an additional battery life of up to 3 to 5 h. Standard with 30 kilometers map transmission. Equipped with an HD dual light telephoto camera. Visible light and infrared imaging. Monitor the high-speed moving targets. With the pod guidance function. Portable dual-screen remote control ground station. 15.6 inches plus 12.1 inch touch screen. Brightness up to 1000 nits. Can realize the patrol device networking, point-to-point networking. Multi-link networking methods, such as relay networking. Through the different power links, ground-to-sky city to 100 kilometers and sky-to-sky transmission distance of 50 to 100 kilometers. With target search, target monitoring and positioning. Air wireless relay and other capabilities. This is the X15 Cruiser.